If you need help, your ID and Volkswagen will be there for you. Use the information call to directly contact Volkswagen customer care. They will be happy to help you. The breakdown call offers exactly what you need in the event of a breakdown. A single touch of a button and you can seek professional assistance at Volkswagen's emergency service via the phone. Particularly helpful, important vehicle data, such as your current location, will be transmitted at the same time. The emergency call service means help can be organized as quickly as possible in dangerous situations. If an accident triggers the airbag or belt tensioner, your ID will automatically connect to the public or Volkswagen's emergency call center and transmit relevant data for the emergency, such as the current vehicle location. If necessary, you can activate the emergency call manually. Remember to wear a high visibility vest if you leave the vehicle in the event of a breakdown or accident. You will find your warning triangle ready to hand in the rear lid, the first aid kit on the side in the luggage compartment, and the optional breakdown set under the second luggage compartment floor. Information call, breakdown call, and emergency call service. It's a good feeling to have support in the event of an emergency, isn't it?
Volkswagen.